Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Injective Protocol, a revolutionary decentralized platform reshaping how we approach trading, derivatives, and decentralized finance (DeFi). Injective Protocol is built on a Layer 2 blockchain infrastructure designed for speed, efficiency, and cross-chain capabilities, enabling seamless trading across various blockchain networks. The platform caters to developers, traders, and DeFi enthusiasts by offering an extensive suite of tools for creating and managing decentralized applications and derivatives. The main interface of the Injective Protocol is sleek and user-friendly, allowing users to navigate its powerful features effortlessly. Start by connecting your wallet to access the platform's capabilities. Injective supports wallets like MetaMask, making integration straightforward and secure. Once connected, you can explore markets, trade perpetuals, and access a range of DeFi tools that empower both beginners and professionals and crypto trading. One of the platform's standout features is its decentralized derivatives exchange. Unlike traditional exchanges, Injective allows users to trade derivatives in a completely decentralized manner, ensuring transparency and reducing counterparty risk. It also supports cross-chain trading, enabling users to leverage assets from multiple blockchains seamlessly. Injective Protocol boasts high performance with low transaction fees, thanks to its advanced blockchain technology. Users can also participate in liquidity mining, staking, and governance, contributing to the ecosystem while earning rewards. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One unique aspect of Injective is its permissionless nature, which allows developers to launch their own decentralized exchanges and trading markets tailored to specific needs. This flexibility opens doors to limitless innovation in DeFi. Whether you're a developer, trader, or crypto enthusiast, Injective Protocol provides tools that cater to a broad audience. Now is the time to dive into Injective Protocol and start leveraging its capabilities for a superior trading and DeFi experience. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends to stay updated on the latest in crypto and DeFi innovations.